Tesla quoted one owner $228 for a windshield. The final bill was $1,163. Nothing was added without authorization. Nothing went wrong during the job. Tesla followed their own process exactly. That's the problem. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 places where Tesla's process and your wallet are pointed in opposite directions, and what to do about every one of them before you need a repair. Trap 1. The diagnostic fee trap. If you take your Tesla to a service center with a warning light, they will charge you somewhere between $175 and $250 just to read the diagnostic codes, before anyone looks at the car, before anyone tells you what's wrong. What they don't tell you is that your Tesla can show you many of those codes right on the touchscreen. Go to Controls, then Software, hold down the model name, and type the word Service. That opens the hidden diagnostic menu. It won't replace a full inspection, but it will tell you whether what you're seeing is minor or serious before you hand over $200 to find out. Owners who know about this screen save that fee entirely. Owners who don't are paying it every time. Trap 2. The windshield calibration trap. Here's where a repair that sounds simple becomes one that isn't. Replacing a windshield on a Tesla built after 2017 isn't just glasswork. Mounted behind the windshield is a forward-facing camera, the one that handles autopilot, automatic emergency braking, and lane detection. That camera system is called ADAS, short for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. After the windshield is replaced, that entire camera array has to be recalibrated. The car has to relearn where it's looking from. A basic windshield replacement runs around $228. Add mandatory ADS recalibration, and the same job costs between $1,100 and $2,000 depending on the model and who's doing it. Tesla doesn't make this optional. 85% of vehicles built after 2017 require it. The trap is that glass shops, even certified ones, don't always mention it up front. You schedule a windshield job, you get a call afterward. By then, the glass is already in. Trap 3. The mobile service trap. Most Tesla owners don't know this exists. Tesla has a mobile service fleet, technicians who come to your home or office and perform the same repairs as the service center at the same price. Not a premium. The same price. What you're buying is time. The average Tesla service center wait in the United States is over 50 days. There are fewer than 200 Tesla service centers in the entire country. Honda has over 1,000. Mobile service bypasses that queue for a wide range of repairs, software updates, minor sensor work, tire rotations, 12-volt battery replacements, charging port issues. You request it through the Tesla app under Service. Most owners scroll past it and call the service center instead. Trap 4. The 12-volt battery cascade trap. This is the one that blindsides people the most. Every Tesla has a standard 12-volt battery in addition to the main drive pack. It powers the door handles, the touchscreen, the main onboard computer, and the charging systems. When it starts to fail, the signs are easy to dismiss: slower door handle response, an occasional screen flicker. When it fails completely, the high-voltage battery management system shuts down as a safety measure. The car won't unlock. It won't charge. Getting it towed costs between $200 and $300 before the battery replacement has even started. The battery itself runs between $150 and $400 depending on the model. Tesla's own data shows failure rates of 20 to 30% by year 4. This is not a rare edge case. Replace the 12-volt battery at 3 years. Do not wait for the warning. By the time it comes, the cascade has already started. Trap 5. The extended warranty trap. Tesla's extended warranty costs between $3,000 and $4,000. To break even on that purchase, you need to file warranty claims totaling more than $5,000. Most owners don't do that math before they sign. And most don't know what's already covered without it. Tesla's factory powertrain warranty, the motor, the drive unit, the main battery pack, is already covered for 8 years on most models, with no mileage cap on the battery. That's the expensive stuff. The extended warranty primarily adds coverage for body electronics, charging components, and HVAC. Those things do fail, but you're paying $3,000 to $4,000 upfront for coverage that on average saves owners somewhere around $1,500. The math doesn't work for most people. Read the existing warranty coverage first. Know exactly what the extension adds before you decide. Trap 6. The cabin air filter HVAC trap. Tesla's warranty terms include a scheduled maintenance requirement. Miss the schedule on certain items and the warranty on related components becomes negotiable in Tesla's favor. The cabin air filter is one of those items, recommended every 2 years or 25,000 miles. The filter costs around $40 and takes about 15 minutes to replace. If you skip it and your HVAC compressor fails, Tesla's service advisors can and have argued that neglected maintenance contributed to the failure. The warranty claim gets denied. A replacement HVAC compressor with related parts and labor runs between $4,000 and $5,000. $40 versus $5,000. The filter is not optional maintenance. It's a warranty protection document you install in your car every 2 years. Trap 7. The Supercharger inspection trap. Tesla logs every supercharging session, the timestamp, the station ID, the charge rate, and the condition data from the connector at the start of the session. If you plug into a damaged or dirty supercharger connector and it causes a charging port failure on your vehicle, Tesla has a time-stamped record showing that the charge session began normally, meaning the fault in their documentation originated on your side. Warranty claims for charging port damage have been denied on exactly that basis. Before every supercharger session, spend 2 seconds looking at the connector. If there are burn marks on the pins, debris inside the housing, or visible physical damage, do not use it. Report it through the app before you leave. That report creates your own timestamp showing you flagged the damaged equipment. The 2 seconds it takes could be the difference between a covered repair and a $1,500 bill. Trap 8. The service report trap. Every time Tesla works on your vehicle, whether it's a diagnostic, a repair, or a routine inspection, their technicians create internal notes in Tesla's system. Those notes record what was found, what was done, and what the technician observed about the condition of the vehicle. You are not automatically given a copy of any of this. If you leave the service center without requesting a written summary, Tesla's internal record is the only documentation of that visit. If a problem develops later and there's a dispute about whether it existed before the service visit or was caused by something that happened during it, that record belongs to them, not to you. You have no counter documentation. The fix is simple, but you have to ask for it every time. Request a written service summary before you leave, not after, not by email later. Before you hand back the loaner and walk out the door. Every visit, without exception. Trap 9. The cold charging pattern trap. Tesla's battery management system logs your charging behavior over time. Not just how much you charge, when, where, from what state of charge, and at what temperature. Charging frequently from a low state of charge in cold temperatures creates a documented behavioral pattern in the vehicle's telemetry. If you later file a warranty claim for battery degradation, Tesla's review process pulls that log. Owners have had degradation claims denied on the basis that the data showed repeated cold weather charging patterns that Tesla classified as inconsistent with normal use. The precondition feature exists for exactly this reason. It's in the climate menu. It brings the battery to optimal operating temperature before the charging session starts, which protects the cells, improves charge speed, and keeps your charging behavior looking normal in Tesla's system. Use it every time you charge in cold weather. Here's what connects all 9 of these traps. Tesla is a technology company that sells vehicles. Their service infrastructure was never designed to support the number of cars they've sold. The gaps that creates, the wait times, the documentation gaps, the maintenance requirements buried in a 400-page manual are not design failures. They cost owners money every day, not because of malice, because that's the business model. Here is the rule. Every dollar you save on a Tesla repair starts with knowing what they log, what they require, and what they won't tell you unless you ask. Next week, I'm looking at something that affects a lot more people than Tesla owners. There's a class of vehicles, one of the best-selling categories in the country, where the warranty terms were quietly rewritten in the last 3 years in ways that most buyers still don't know about. Subscribe so you don't miss it.